What is the direct materials purchasing budget? Well, this is a plan for the purchase of the necessary resources, particularly the direct materials that are going to be used in a particular production process during a specific period of time. So it outlines what you need to buy in terms of direct materials in order to carry out a job task or function during a given time frame. So that being said, you start by adding together all the raw materials necessary for production of the process. Next, you'd add in whatever you need in terms of ending inventory. Oftentimes this is done as a cushion or excess inventory that you'll need to continue on in production after this process is done. Okay, that will give you the total raw material required initially. Now, you have to subtract out whatever you have in beginning raw material inventory. And this arrives at whatever raw material needs to be purchased as part of the budget. Okay, now, how do you set your determination for what needs to be purchased? Well, generally this is based upon historical needs and the cost associated with those materials in the past. Now, there may be some incremental amount added to it as an adjustment for inflation or any other factor, rise in volume, that type of thing. But you look first at historical costs. Now, in professional projects, there is simulation software that ties into cost databases and things like that and breaks down the different direct materials associated with different types of jobs at different scales. This is generally used to get you very close for your project, but it's not going to be exact again. There's still a lot of management discretion in there in terms of determining exactly the amount of raw materials and the cost of those raw materials to satisfy the needs of a specific job. So this is your direct materials purchasing budget.